Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. Very few amongst the highest degrees achievers in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on space research. Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of vibrant nations. Its 5-year vision or mission where no man has gone before. After World War II, two superpower emerged. One is Soviet Union and another one is United States of America. There was a run for space research and other things by powerful nations. Soviet Union conducted series of lunar projects. Whereas United States of America conducted series of Apollo projects, where Apollo 8 was more or less successful, and project Apollo 11, first man to put foot on the surface of the moon was Neil Armstrong, and second one was Buzz Aldrin. They brought 22 kgs of material, soils and material from the moon, and NASA did the research work. After that, European space agencies, Japan, China, private space agency like SpaceX plunge into space research. But recently, after approval of India's government space agency, Chandrayaan-1 project was launched, and Chandrayaan-2, and now in recently only Chandrayaan-3 project was launched by the space agency. Vikram lander and Pragyan rover landed at south pole of the moon. This process was of threefold. First one is soft landing on the moon. Second was to make Pragyan rover walk on the surface of the moon. And third, to do the research work using alpha particle APXS, alpha particle X-ray spectroscopy, and LIBS, laser light amplification by stimulation emission of radiation induced breakdown spectrometry for the soil and material elements present to do research work on the surface of the moon. Later on, Aditya L1 was also launched by the Indian Space Agency. You can like my video, share my video, and subscribe my video to my YouTube channel is Tech Yogeshkumar. Persons like Vikram Sarabhai and later on President like APJ Abdul Kalam was also into the space research. Launching of various satellites around the orbit of the Earth was done. Lot of research work. Presence of water was also found on the surface of the moon. Research is going on regarding the soil and elements materials present where life is viable at surface of the moon. Heavy research work is going on around the world. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin brought 22 kgs of material, soils, rocks, other things, and NASA is doing research work on behalf of the United States of America. Russian space vehicle Rathod has opened new horizon in interstellar space stations. Lot many countries are showing interest in space research, which which is which is going around the world. Lot of new things are being found regarding the existence of human life on the surface of the moon. There are altogether 5 points around the orbit of the Sun: L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. L1 project was launched by the Indian Space Agency. And it was research work is going on uh, around few distance from the Sun. L1 point space vehicle has been launched by Indian government agencies, space agencies. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.